curtains half open, street glow on your skin. You trace my shoulder like you're drawing me in. Your laugh in the hallway, keys drop to the floor. You taste like midnight, like I've been here before. Rain on me slowly, let it fall, let it fall. Ripped on my body, I want it all, want it all. Hold me like you know me, every secret, every scar. Rain on me slowly till I don't know who we are. You talk in a whisper, breath warm on my neck. Hands on my hips now, pulling me to the edge. Time keeps on pausing when you say my name. I'm losing my balance and I'm loving this way. Rain on me slowly, let it fall, drip down my body. I want it all, want it all. Hold me like you know me, every secret, every scar. Rain on me slowly till I don't know who we are. Rain on me slowly, let it fall, drip down my body. I want it all, want it all. Hold me like you know me, every secret, every scar. Rain on me slowly till I don't know who we are. All of these shadows dancing on the wall, every soft promise, I believe them all. Leave all the world at the bedroom door, starting my heartbeat, then give me more. Give me more. Rain on me slowly, let it fall, drip down my body. I want it all, want it all. Hold me like you know me, every secret, every scar. Rain on me slowly till I don't know who we are.